Learning how to make extra money can completely change your life. Whether you want to earn an extra $5,000 a month or have another financial goal, welcome back to our channel, Front Seat Finance. And today we're going to see some must-have skills if you want to become rich. Number 10. Software development. A software developer is focused on creating applications and requires coding skills. This is one of the more difficult high-income skills to learn, but it's still possible if you are interested in this industry. Software developers are in high demand because it's important to the success of most businesses. Software developers can help improve the security of your application. It's important to focus on software development and security with the rise of online hacking and security threats. Number 9. Website design. Being a website designer is completely focused on creating websites. You'll need to create websites that look good, are easy to use, and keep the reader engaged. Many websites are clunky and have too much content on the site, which causes the reader to leave the site and never return. It's important to learn the necessary skills to become a great website designer. The best way to learn these skills is by creating your own website and using online tutorials to learn the ins and outs. Number 8. Online course creation. Creating an online course is similar to any other business. It requires a lot of work on the front end to get it off the ground. When you create an online course, there is a lot to consider. You must be clear on how to create and manage it. For that reason, strong time management and marketing skills are necessary. It will also be helpful to understand sales and how to target the right audience with your online course. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you get paid for recommending a product or service to someone else. It's common to use affiliate marketing through your own business. A lot of people use social media, email marketing, and their website to promote products. It's very important to choose products and services that relate to your target audience. This will help increase the amount of potential income you can earn. Number 6. Video production editing. In 2021, video production editing is very popular thanks to the number of podcasts and video content created daily. According to Apple Podcasts, as of May 2021, there are more than 2 million podcasts available. As a video editor, you will edit lots of footage that can be reused in different formats. Your content may be used on TV, in an online ad, or in a social media post. Number 5. Financial coach. You can become a financial coach if you've had financial success or are an expert in this area. Most people want to relate to you as a financial coach. If you've experienced similar struggles as others, then financial coaching could be a good move for you. In addition to having financial knowledge, you also want to build a coaching style that will help you succeed. Number 4. Public speaking. Public speaking is when you give speeches to a group of people to motivate or provide information. The skills you need to be a good public speaker include confidence, a good story, and the ability to relate to your audience. Motivational speakers earn the highest income in this industry. However, the earning potential all depends on what topic you talk about and your influence. Number 3. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship can feel intimidating to many. Entrepreneurship is not easy, but it doesn't require being the next Elon Musk to be successful. Being an entrepreneur opens up a lot of opportunities for things you can try. You can start so many different businesses. However, it will require hard work, dedication, and most importantly, a product or service that is needed. Number 2. Marketing. Email marketing is marketing done online. Many online businesses are looking for help with email marketing. This high-income skill benefits a lot of big businesses because it generates revenue. Businesses spend millions of dollars on marketing each year. Email marketers are tasked with getting potential customers to convert into a sale. They use different methods, such as email marketing software and social media to target an audience. Number 1. Copywriting. Copywriting is a form of writing that is used to sell a product. There are a lot of examples online of copywriting. It's a very relevant and in-demand skill to have. Every business owner needs to master copywriting to grow their company. You can learn copywriting online, and some companies offer certifications for this high-income skill. Gaining a certification is helpful when starting out with very little experience. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of these skills do you have? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.